TP smashed on V75, guys. I just smashed TP for the 5th time this week. Alright guys, so in this video I will share to you guys how I was able to map out this trade. I took the trade in the morning and I just hit TP this evening. Today, what's today's date? I think today's date is 25th of July 26. I was able to make 1:2.5 on this trade, and this is my 6th win. All right, so this week I've taken like 6 trades or more. Let me open my journal, my trading journal, so that we all can see. All right, so guys, as this is loaded, if you've not joined my Telegram group, the link is in the description below. Join my Telegram group so that you'll be seeing setups like this, so that you'll be seeing breakdowns like this. I promised my subscribers on my Telegram channel that if I can get good engagement, I'm going to teach 10 people how to trade synthetics for free. I'm going to teach you from basic to advanced, and I'm not going to collect you any money. Everything's going to be for free. I'm going to teach you from basic to advanced, and if you perform well after the whole tutorial, I'm going to fund your account. I'm going to fund the first 5 people, the first 5 performance. That is after teaching you how to trade, and then I see that you're doing with your demo account. All right, I'm going to fund you so that you can go live. All right, so what are you waiting for? Join my Telegram channel today so that you will learn more and understand how I make trades like this. So this is my trading journal. All right, and these are the trades I've been taking, and this is actually the 3rd week. Okay, I've taken 10 trades. All right, so if I add this one right now, that will make it 11. So let me copy this. I will try my best not to make this video long so that it won't be boring. So I'm going to paste this right here. So this is TP. It's TP. My entry was on the 15 minutes, and I'm going to copy this price delivered. So guys, if you've not been journaling your trade, I will advise you to resume or start journaling your trade. It really helps you to spot out a lot of mistakes you're making. It really helps you a whole lot. I used to doubt journaling before. I thought it was a waste of time and a waste of effort, but journaling really helped me to stay consistent. All right, journaling will reveal your weakness. It will tell you what you're doing wrong, and then you know how to correct yourself, going on to the new week. All right, so I've just journaled this down, so I'm going to save this right now, and then I'm going to close this. All right, so I'm going to take you guys to my Telegram channel where I shared this trading setup. All right, this is my Telegram channel right here, ODOGWUFX. All right, this is the channel right here. We only have 9 subscribers for the time being. That's why I'm making try my best to bring in a lot of subscribers to the channel. All right, so these are the signals I've been dropping. Most of them have been hitting TP. I'm very transparent with all my trades. Anyone that hits stop loss, I will update the channel, update my guys. The ones that hit TP, I will still update my guys. I'm transparent. All right, so this last trade was, I called this last trade today. This was the trade. This was the trade I called before it hit TP. This was it. This was in the morning, around 9 o'clock in the morning. I called this trade. All right, so I kept updating them. All right, I kept updating when it was in small profit. When it was in small profit, I updated the group. All right, that was at 11:59, let's say 12 o'clock, and then when full TP was smashed, I also updated the group. All right, so guys, if not joined my Telegram group, I want you to join right away. The link is in the description box. All right, so now let's get down to the business of the day. A lot of you will want to know how I was able to get this move on V75 this morning. So I'm going to break this down right now. So let me delete this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. All right, let me go to 4 hours. As usual, as you all guys all know, I do my analysis from the daily to the 4 hours, and then my 15 minutes are for entries. All right, so what I normally do sometimes, I do go to the weekly to see the general overview of the market. As you can see here, all right, on V75, price is bullish. You understand? Price is bullish. But if you used to watch my previous videos, you see where I made mention of this sweep. for those that trade CRT, I told you guys that price, swept the high of this bullish candle right here. That price has swept external liquidity from this bullish candle, and the next movement is going to be what? The internal liquidity. All right, and that's what price just did, and price is still tanking. And the reason why price is still tanking right now is because of this imbalance. Price is trying to fill this imbalance right here. All right, this imbalance right here that price is trying to fill. So I presume that when price fills this imbalance, it's going to continue the bullish trend. Now, price is bullish on weekly, all right, but currently price is selling. I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader, so I come in every day, I look out for setups, and then I take my trade, and then I close for the day. All right, I hold my trade highest 1 or 2 days. All right, so I react based on what market is showing me at that particular time. All right, so price is bullish, but currently price is currently selling. All right, this is more or less like a retracement. All right, now seeing that, I go to my daily time frame. All right, what do I look out for? On the daily time frame, as you can see, they've been a shift in market structure for a while now. All right, this shift happened on Monday, 20th July. All right, 2026. So this is daily also confirming that, okay, I'm actually selling right now. Also, the daily is aligning with the weekly, and you guys know how I take my trades. All right, I must make sure that all my time frames align before I take a particular trade. And daily is saying that, okay, this is currently selling, so the daily has shifted from a bullish momentum to what? A bearish momentum. That's what we call a shift in market structure. All right, now seeing that on the daily, I go to 4 hours. What am I looking out for in 4 hours? I'm looking out for lower highs and lower lows. All right, which is what is happening on 4 hours. All right, so what I did was that, let me delete this line right here. Let me delete this line. What I did was that as at morning around say 7, price was at this lower high right here. I'm going to mark it with this line. Price was here as out of 7 a.m. in the morning. All right, that was when as out of 6, that was when I woke up to look at the chart. Price was at that level. All right, so I'm going to illustrate it with a box so that you guys will understand better. Let me reduce the opacity of this box so that it will not be too sharp. All right, let me make it a little bit transparent, and let me choose a much milder color. Let me use this one. This is not mild at all. Let me use blue. Blue is nice. Okay, this is okay. So I saw this rejection on this particular level. This level is just a resistance level. This is the previous lower high. So you have something like this. Let me illustrate it via this. So you have on a downtrend, you have something like this. You have a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price came back to this previous lower high. All right, so that's the key level. All right, to continue the sell. If price was going to sell, that means price is going to respect this previous lower high, then price is going to continue selling. All right, so that is the same thing that happened here. Upon seeing price coming to this particular zone, which was the previous lower high, what I did was that I waited for a little rejection. I didn't wait for this candle to finish for me. As soon as price came into this level, I knew very well that this level has to hold price down for itself if it's going to sell. All right, so I went to 15 minutes. So what am I looking out for on the 15 minutes? Very simple. I'm looking out for a change of character. That's all. I know there are no two ways about it. Just a change of character. That's what I'm looking out for. All right. Some people call it shift in market structure. All right. Now, if you look at this critically, you can see that when price came to that level, it was buying. We had this higher low, high here, right here, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then what did price do? Price now broke structure. As soon as it came into this zone, what did he do? He broke structure and started what? Selling. All right. So as soon as price did this, I waited for this candle that broke. This was the candle that broke structure. This bearish candle right here. As soon as price broke structure, as soon as there was a shift, I waited for the candle that caused the shift, which was what? This candle. As soon as it finished closing, I entered my position right here. My stop loss was around this level. All right. And what was my target? My stop loss was not this wide. It was, I think, this level. So my target was around here. So it was around the next low was around here. That was my target. All right, so that was how I was able to catch this particular setup in the morning, and this setup gave me so much money. All right, and everything went well. I shared this setup on my Telegram channel and also on my Instagram. So guys, I want you to join the Telegram channel. If you like the content I'm giving out here on YouTube, join my Telegram channel. And please, if you are getting value from what I'm teaching you guys, I want you guys to like this video. Please subscribe, share the video so that other people will be exposed to, you know, educational content like this. All right, so that was how I was able to catch this move. All right, that was how I was able to catch this massive move on V75. Okay, so guys, subscribe. That will be all for now. All right, that will be all for now. So see you guys in the next video.